Good morning to all of you. In my last video, I have told you difference between static electricity and current electricity. That is static electricity and current electricity. And I have told you static electricity means charges at rest. Current electricity means charges in motion. Now, I have told you few examples of static electricity such as sliding of comb in dry hair, sliding of comb in dry hair, and you can take sliding of comb in dry hair, then wearing of sweater over synthetic shirt, or you can say that party wear shirt. Now in current electricity we have charges in motion. In case of static electricity we have charges at rest. So whenever we have charge at any place, so this is the strong evidence of electricity. So for electricity we need charge. It may be at rest, it may be in motion. For motion we can take current electricity, and when they are at rest then we can take effect of static electricity. Now then after we should know importance of principles of electrostatics. So write down importance of principles of electrostatics. So in brief we will write now number 1, electrostatic principles are used in photostat machine or Xerox copy machine. Number 2, electrostatics principles are used in developing heavy voltage for acceleration of charged particles. So through electrostatics we can make heavy charge, we can make charge in large amount, and due to creation of charge in large amount we will have heavy voltage for acceleration of charged particles. Then number 3, we can take preventing air pollution. So through principles of electrostatics we can decrease level of air pollution. So in prevention of air pollution we are using principle of electrostatics. For example, in case of chimney, so there is attraction on ash particles due to principles of electrostatics. Then number 4, it is useful in spray paint machines. Now it is useful in spray paint machine. Through bumping we can charge molecules of solution of paint. So after getting importance of principles of electrostatics. We will going to start next topic, that is numericals on quantization of charge. So next topic is numericals on numericals on quantization of charge. Now as we know that Q equal to plus minus NE. Now tell me value of N, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to maximum number. Now value of E 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 Coulomb. Now you can take first numerical. Now we have two substances such as glass rod and polythene. Now both are rubbing with each other, and after rubbing what we will get? We will have minus 4 Coulomb charge on polythene. After rubbing, what we will have? Minus 4 Coulomb charge on polythene. It means polythene substance will gain electrons from glass rod so that it will carry negative charge. So what we have to find out? We have to find out number of electrons gained by polythene. We have to find out number of electrons gained by polythene. अब कैसे find out करेंगे number of electrons gained by polythene or number of electrons transferred from glass rod to polythene? Now let us consider simple formulation Q equal to minus NE. Now value of Q, that is given minus 4 Coulomb. Now it is minus N, value of E 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 Coulomb. Coulomb से Coulomb cancel, minus से minus cancel. So value of N we can find out 4 upon 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So this is all about this numerical. Now we can use this formula in these types of questions. Now next numerical number 2. Find out, write down the statement, find out total positive and negative charge present in 250 gram of water. Question is that find out total positive and negative charge present in 250 gram of water. That is 250 gram of water. Now what we have given? Sample, that is 250 gram of water. Amount has been given, that is 250 gram of water. Now first of all we have to find out number of molecules in 250 gram of water. Now number of molecules we can find out by using Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 250 gram, that is amount of sample, upon molecular weight of water, that is 18. Now in one molecule we have 10 electrons. In one molecule we have 10 electrons. Now number of electrons we can find out easily by multiplying number of molecules into 10. By multiplying number of molecules into 10. Now we have value of n. And what we have to find out? Total positive charge and total negative charge. Now we can take formula of quantization of charge, that is plus Ne. Now we can put value of n 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 250 upon 8 into 10 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 Coulomb. So this is total positive charge present in 250 gram of water. Now we have given number of molecules through this formula, that is Avogadro number into amount of sample upon molecular weight. Now in one molecule we have 10 electrons. Number of electrons, that is number of molecule into number of electron in one molecule. Now that is Q equal to plus Ne for getting total positive charge into 50 gram of water. So in the same way we have same value for total negative charge, only difference of plus minus sign. Now we can have same value in total negative charge. So this is all about for this numerical. Now you can take another numerical number 3. Now a substance is having minus 4 Coulomb charge. A substance is having minus 4 Coulomb charge, and additionally we are giving nine into 10 power 19 electrons. The substance is having minus 4 Coulomb charge, and additionally we are giving 9 into 10 having power 19 electrons to this substance. Then find out total charge present on substance. It means a substance is having, initially a substance is having minus 4 Coulomb charge, and additionally we are giving 9 into 10 power 19 electrons to this substance. Find out total charge present on this substance. So initial value of charge we can write down, that is minus 4 Coulomb. Now what amount of charge will be given by these number of electrons we have to find out. Now apply formula of Q equal to माइनस एन ई। अब माइनस साइन हमने क्यों यूज किया? क्योंकि हम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को यहां पर सब्सटेंस को डोनेट कर रहे हैं, तो अगर सब्सटेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को गेन करेगा तो उसके ऊपर माइनस साइन आएगा, और माइनस साइन के लिए हमें फॉर्मूला कौन सा लगाना पड़ेगा? Q इक्वल टू माइनस एन ई। नाउ नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स वी हैव टू गिवन 9 into 10 power 19. Now value of E 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Now we know value of N, that is given in numerical. We know value of E, charge on electron 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Now how much charge will be given by these electrons we can find out by this formula. Now Q equal to minus 9 into 10 power 19 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Now Q is equal to minus 9 into 1.6 Coulomb. Now total charge means final charge present on this substance is minus 4 minus 9 into 1.6 Coulomb. So we can write down final value of charge as minus, we can take common, 4 plus 9 into 1.6 Coulomb. So we have total charge on this sample, on this substance, that is 4 plus 9 into 1.6. Now through this calculation, through this formulation, we can find out total charge on this substance. So let us revise this numerical. We have given initial charge minus 4 Coulomb. Now take it separately. Now Q equal to minus Ne. This formula is used for given number of electrons. Now this is amount of charge given by these number of electrons. Now this is initial charge. Now final charge on this sample will be Q final is equal to Q initial plus charge given by these electrons. So this is total value of charge on this sample. Total value of charge on this sample. Now we can write down total value of charge on this sample. Now these are basic numericals on quantization of charge. So our next topic is Coulomb's law. After discussing numericals on quantization of charge, now our next topic is Coulomb's law. Next topic is Coulomb's law. Now Coulomb's law. What type of information it will give? Now as we know that Coulomb is the unit of charge. Coulomb is the unit of charge. So it will give information about charges. And charges may be of two signs, that is positive and negative. So through Coulomb's law, we will have information about charges, and these charges may have positive sign and may have negative sign. Now, this is Coulomb's law, and it is found only by experimental observations. Experimental observation. This law is based on experimental observations because there is no theoretical evidence of Coulomb's law. There is no logical derivation behind Coulomb's law. There is no logical derivation behind Coulomb's law. So it is purely based on experimental observations. So through experimental observation we have made Coulomb's law. So name of scientist is Coulomb, और Coulomb ने ये लॉ बनाया और उसने सिर्फ फिजिकल ऑब्जर्वेशंस को कंसीडर किया, उसने सिर्फ एक्सपेरिमेंटल ऑब्जर्वेशन कंसीडर किया, एंड देयर इज नो प्लेस फॉर एनी लॉजिकल डेरिवेशन बिहाइंड Coulomb's law. So it is purely based on physical observations and experimental observations. तो एक्सपेरिमेंट हो गए, फिजिकल ऑब्जर्वेशन ली हमने, एंड देन आफ्टर वी हैव डिस्कवर्ड Coulomb's law. Now what is the statement of Coulomb's law? तो ये आपको क्लियर होना चाहिए Coulomb's law कैसे बना. Coulomb's law के लिए कोई डेरिवेशन हमने यूज नहीं किया. Coulomb's law simply practical evidences, simply physical observation, simply experimental observations के थ्रू बना है. So there is no logical derivation, there is no mathematical derivation behind Coulomb's law. Now statement. Statement of Coulomb's law. Force between two point charges. Force between two point charges is always proportional to product of magnitude of two charges and inversely proportional to and inversely proportional to square of distance between two point charges. So note down the statement of Coulomb's law. Force between two point charges is always proportional to product of magnitude of two charges and inversely proportional to square of distance between two point charges. तो मैंने बार बार एक वर्ड यहां यूज किया है point charges. Point charges. So this law is based on force of attraction and repulsion between point charges. तो इस लॉ के अंदर, Coulomb's लॉ के अंदर हम हमेशा ही पॉइंट चार्जेस को कंसीडर करेंगे. हमारे पास चार्जेस का साइज कैसा होना चाहिए? पॉइंट का मीनिंग दैट इज माइक्रोस्कोपिक. तो अगर चार्जेस पॉइंट इन साइज होंगे तो Coulomb's लॉ लगेगा. in case of broad charges, in case of broad size of charged body, we cannot apply Coulomb's law. तो Coulomb's law के लिए charged body का size कैसा होना चाहिए? Narrow and point. Narrow and point. Now, mathematically we can write down this statement: force proportional to Q1 Q2, force proportional to 1 upon r square. We can take 2 point charges Q1 and Q2. Separation between 2 point charges, that is r, and value of 2 charges Q1 and Q2. Now F proportional to Q1 Q2 upon r square. Now it can be written as F equal to K Q1 Q2 upon r square. What is the meaning of K? K means constant of proportionality. Now, what is the value of K? K is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and its value is 9 into 10 power 9 in SI system, and its value is 1 in CGS system. So note down statement of Coulomb's law and mathematical formulation of Coulomb's law. Simple formulation: we have force proportional to magnitudes of two charges Q1 and Q2, or you can say that product of two charges Q1 into Q2. F proportional to 1 upon r square. F proportional to Q1 Q2 upon r square. Now F equal to K Q1 Q2 upon r square. It means magnitude of force between two charges is given by K Q1 Q2 upon r square. K is constant of proportionality. Now K equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and it is equal to this 9 into 10 power 9 in SI system, and its value is 1 in CGS system. So value of K is 1 in CGS system, and value of K 9 into 10 power 9 in SI system. Now what is the meaning of epsilon naught? So it is Greek letter. So what is the meaning of naught? Epsilon naught. Meaning of 0. 0 means it indicates free space between two charges. Meaning of free space, that is air. So whenever two charges are placed in air having separation r, then we are using epsilon naught in value of K. It means meaning of 0 indicates that there is free space between two charges, there is simple air between two charges, there is simple medium between these two charges. Now what is the meaning of epsilon? Epsilon means electric permittivity of medium. So epsilon will tell us nature of medium. Medium के अंदर इलेक्ट्रिक परमिटिविटी क्या है? मीनिंग ऑफ परमिटिविटी मींस परमिशन फॉर इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन Q1 एंड Q2. Q1 और Q2 के इंटरेक्शन